Welcome to the eBusiness Boss channel. My name's Nick, and today I'm going to show you guys something a little bit sneaky. Today I'm actually going to show you how you can find your competitors' suppliers. So whether you sell on Amazon or you just have a Shopify store or you sell online in general or you have any sort of business, you can use this method to find out who your competitor or anybody uses as a supplier if you have their legal name. So if this is your first time here on the channel, welcome. This channel has been created by us here at eBusiness Boss to document everything we're learning as full-time Amazon sellers. So we have a number of different online businesses, and we're hoping that by setting up this channel, we can show you guys the things we're learning along the way. So if you're interested in these sorts of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications bell. That way you'll be the first to know about videos just like this. So let's get into the video. How to find your competitors' suppliers. So this is a bit of a sneaky trick, but it's been something that people have been using for years. So this isn't something new, and you've got a few options when it comes to this. So why is this important? Well, if you know how to find your competitor's supplier, you can reverse engineer what they're doing and use it for yourself. So let's say you found a product that sells really, really well, and for the life of you, you can't work out how your competitor's getting this product at such a reasonable cost. So one thing to think about is you don't actually know the position your competitor's in. So if they're selling a product for quite a low price, they could be doing a number of things. It doesn't just mean they've got a very strong relationship with someone. So they might well have more buying power than you can imagine. They might well be getting such a good price because they're buying hundreds of thousands of units. So just please bear in mind that sometimes it's not as straightforward as you might think. And also your competitor might have a lower price because they might just be selling out. They might have almost given up on a product and just want to liquidate their stock. So bear that in mind when you're looking at potential products. So I'm going to give you some free and paid solutions. I mean, all three of these options are paid, but you can certainly try one of them out or a couple of them out without actually paying anything, or by getting your money back, you won't be paying anything at all. So for this process, what do you need? Well, you're going to need your competitor's legal name. Now, you can find this if you're an Amazon UK or EU seller. Usually you can find this on their actual Amazon store. So if you're based in the US, normally you won't get access to this information. You do get access to this in some cases, but maybe if they've got a presence in the UK or Europe, go and have a look. Find their UK or European store and make a note of their legal name. Failing that, you could use a trademark database to look for their legal name. And once you've got that, that's all you'll need to investigate. So the three options that you've got here, you can use a website called panjiva.com. So I'll leave a link to this below. It's panjiva.com. Now, this is quite an expensive option, and the costs, I believe we were quoted when we looked into it, around $2,500 for the year. So it looked like they probably would negotiate with us. I think it was looking like we might have been able to get 10% off. We didn't go ahead, but we and you can trial it out. You certainly get a few searches, or you have when I've checked. So you could put in a few of your competitors' legal names and look to see if you can find out who's supplying them with their products. So that's probably not the option I'd recommend. They are quite expensive, but well worth a look at that. And I will leave a link to all three of these below. So the second option you've got is a website called Import Genius. Again, I'll leave the link below. These guys, the cost was looking at around about $199 a month. Now, by the looks of things, you only actually got access to US companies, but investigate it for yourself. That's definitely a good website you could check out, Import Genius. I know of a couple of people that have used it and they've got on with it quite well. The third option you've got, which is probably the one I'd recommend doing just because of the cost side of things and the fact we've used some of their products before, is Jungle Scout's new tool. So Jungle Scout have introduced a supplier database where you can put in this detail and find out who is actually supplying your competitors. So currently, as it stands, I have actually got a discount code for you guys. So if you use the link in the description for Jungle Scout, you can save 30%. So I can't guarantee that at the time you're watching this video, that discount will still be live, but at the time of recording, you can get 30% off using the link in the description below. So please bear in mind that it is an affiliate link. So if you do purchase, we'll make a commission here, and that's how we keep this channel going. It's only a small commission, and it does make it cheaper for you guys. So I managed to secure that discount for our audience here at eBusiness Boss. So the cost of Jungle Scout You can get this for $49 a month. Obviously, you can make the saving with the discount code I've mentioned. Find that in the description below. But yeah, for $49 a month, you'll get access to Jungle Scout, and that will include the supplier database tool. You'll also get a whole load of other features that could help you with your product research. And the good thing about Jungle Scout is they do have a 14-day refund policy. So currently, as it stands, that's what they offer. So if you're not happy with what you've got, you're not happy with their service, then you can cancel before that 14-day period and you'll get your money back. So how does this work? How are these companies actually getting access to this information? Well, it's quite simple, and it has been going on for some time now. They are simply using the bill of lading data to find out which supplier the company is using. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Now, some companies actually hide this data. They might use a third-party name or a third-party folder or contact to make sure that they can hide the supplier information. So savvy companies will do this. So you won't be able to find everyone's, but useful all the same. And it's certainly a technique not a lot of people know about. So yeah, check it out. I'll leave all the useful links in the description below. I hope you found that useful. If you've got any questions, leave a comment below. I'm happy to see if I can help you guys out. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications bell, and that way you'll make sure you're the first to know about useful videos just like this. There'll be more from us again soon. Thanks for watching.